We as designers are inherently problem solvers, and it's critical that we use our ability to the benefit of everybody, especially in these difficult times.
When I first applied, winning was not something that I was that focused on. Being able to work with these world-class mentors, having the opportunity to have a bit of funding to turn my vision into reality, I think that experience in itself was the thing that really drove me to be part of this award.
The best advice that I got from my mentor is to think about the most meaningful application of your technologies.
Having a bit of budget from Lexus has allowed us to allocate roles to professionals that could help us with our project. That really helped us dream big.
For other designers who are looking to apply, I would highly recommend it. It's been such an incredible opportunity for not only my design to develop, but also myself as a designer.
Designers have the power to define the future, and I'm really looking forward to see how this year's entrants envisage it.